So, good evening, everyone, viewers at home. Let us take a look at these questions that says we should construct a quadratic equations whose roots are 2 and 3. Then whose roots are minus 1 over 2 and 3 over 2. So there are two major ways by which we can attempt this question. We can go by saying let x be equals to that 2, and again let x be equals to that 3. When we have something of that nature, we can say from here x minus 2 is 0, then x minus 3 is 0. Once you have something of that nature, we can have the product of this guy to be equals to 0. Since this guy is 0, this guy is 0. If we multiply the two numbers together, the two linear equations or expression is an expression on its own, like this, without the equality sign. So if we multiply the two together, it must definitely be equals to 0. So we can have, therefore, x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 3 is equals to 0. From here, the x here will multiply the x here, we have x squared. The minus here will come here. The x will multiply the 3, we have 3x. The minus here will come here. 2 will multiply x, we have 2x. Then the minus will multiply minus, we have plus. We have 2 times 3 becoming 6 equals to 0. So from here, we will now have x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. So this one is the quadratic equation whose roots are 2 and 3. Alternatively, another way by which we can easily answer the question, if I actually want to use this method, I can say, let me call it a later, meaning that alternative way of solving it. I can say let alpha be this 2, let alpha be equals to 2, and let beta be 3, let beta be equals to 3. So I'll find the sum of the two roots. I'll look for what is alpha plus beta. When I say alpha plus beta is like saying what is 2 plus 3, and my answer will be 5. It will be 5. Then again, I can find the product of the roots by saying what is alpha multiplied by beta. That will be 2 multiplying 3. That will give me 6. That will give me 6. So therefore, the equation will give me x squared minus the sum of the roots into x plus the product of the root is equals to 0. As the sum of the roots multiplying the product of the roots equals to 0. So we can have x squared minus the sum of the root is 5 minus 5x plus the product of the root is 6 equals to 0. So we have x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. Which, if you look at it, you have the same answer as this. Any of your choice, any method that you think it is much more convenient for you, you can use. Again, look at the second one. That's number 2. I will just use any method I like now. I have x is equals to minus 1 over 2. Then x is equals to 3 over 2. To make it more convenient for me, I can easily cross multiply so that I can have 2x is equals to minus 1. And here, 2x is equals to 3. In that case, we can pull minus 1 to the left hand side, and we have 2x plus 1. This one equals to 0. And here you have 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. And in that case, the product of these two guys must be 0. So we have 2x plus 1. We have 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. So it is this will multiply this. That's 4x squared. The minus will come here. The 2x will multiply 3. That's 6x. The plus will come in. The 1 will multiply 2x. We have 2x. I'll say plus times minus. It will be minus. The 1 will multiply 3. We have 3 is equals to 0. So in that case, we are going to have 4x squared. We have minus 6x plus 2x minus 4x minus 3 is equals to 0. So this will be my quadratic equation whose roots are minus 1 over 2 and 3 over 2. Thank you for listening.